Welcome to my channel. If you want to improve the color quality of your display and enable HDR features on Windows 10, this video will guide you step by step. Whether you are watching videos, playing games, or just looking for better color accuracy, enabling HD color can enhance your experience. Let's get started. The first step is to access the display settings in Windows 10. Press Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open the Settings menu. Click on System. Then select Display from the left panel. Scroll down in the display settings until you see Windows HD Color Settings. Click on it to open the Windows HD Color Configuration page. If your monitor or laptop screen supports HDR, you will see an option to enable Stream HDR video. Toggle the switch to On to enable this feature. That's it. By following these steps, you can enable HD color and HDR features on Windows 10 for a better visual experience. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.